I'm unpacking the 39,000 rupees magic notepad which is delivered by Amazon today. After removing the outer plastic package, I got this box with the bill. They send it like this only. Now I have to see what is inside the box. The details are given like this. What is inside the box? I am expected to find all that. After opening, I got this thermocol polystyrene packaging. I have to open this and see how it is packed. The magic notepad. So far so good. We have come to the inner box, which is well packaged. Very good cushioning and shock absorber, whatever waterproofing they used is standard good Amazon packaging, I would say. Very impressive. Other details are included here. After removing from the box, I see very nice packaging here in the empty cartoon, and this is the box which I have to open and unbox. Lots of details are there. This is a nice view I get. Boxing magic notepad, I got this. Very interesting. Very nice, beautiful stuff.